Thanks for checking out Specialty Gear Drives. Today we're taking a look at a repair we did on a Dodge TXT 12 shaft-mounted reducer. The Dodge TXT 12 is the backbone of conveyor systems in the mining and aggregate industries. The TXT series is famous for durability, but heavy shock loads and abrasive dust eventually cause failure in the crucial helical gearing and bearing assemblies. At Specialty Gear Drives, we disassemble and thoroughly clean the unit. We meticulously inspect the internal helical gearing and bearing seats for wear and stress, diagnosing the root cause. We replace all bearings, seals, and gaskets, using only high-quality industrial components. If the gearing is damaged, our in-house manufacturing ensures a perfect, durable replacement is made. Proper installation is key for a shaft-mounted unit. We ensure absolute precision in component seating and shaft fit, guaranteeing the rebuilt drive will perform under extreme conditions. The result is a restored Dodge TXT 12 shaft-mounted unit, ready for heavy service, backed by our 24-month warranty, and delivered to you with free freight nationwide. Call Specialty Gear Drives today.
Specialty Gear Drives. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.
They bring the shine, engineering bold every time. Gear up right, gear up strong, Specialty Gear Drive.